friends, welcome back to this channel. I'm about to do my hair, so I thought I should just record it and do it with y'all, right? So I got this wig from UNICE, and this is what everything looks like inside. It comes with some goodies, a brush, an elastic band, and a wig cap, but I already have one on, so I don't need that wig cap. This is the wig right here. It's two-tone. It is one of their bye-bye knots. It is a 7x5 lace wig, and it's 24 inches. So it has like a chestnut honey blonde at the bottom, and natural 1B at the top, and it came curled. Okay, so we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the packet. So it comes pre-everything, meaning you don't have to plug, bleach the knots, no nothing. She's ready to go. Oh, this is one of those wigs with the little ear tab. So they have it cut now to where it sits nice and snug behind your ear. I like that because sometimes I be finding my ears getting stuck in there, and that'd be annoying. But you know, it's nothing but a little plop out and it'll fit, you feel me? So it has combs, adjustable strap, and an elastic band, and you know that the knots was bleached because it's like a brownish under there. If it wasn't bleached, it would just be the lace color with black knots. So that's how you would know. Anyway, or you know, you could just tell right there, bleached knots. And this is how it looks on my skin tone, like straight out the pack. So I'm going to go ahead and put some makeup on here to help it match my skin tone. I wanted to match my natural skin tone since I'm not going to be putting on makeup today, and we're just going to give straight face. Okay, and the makeup that I'm going to be using is from Ruby Kisses, or is it Ruby Kisses? Yeah, Ruby Kisses in the shade 16. I just mix both of those colors and it gets as close to my natural skin tone as possible. So I like to take a brush and I just get both colors, and I'm going to flip the lace inside out like so, and boom. And that's all I do. I do it on there, and then I take it down the middle part so the part can have a little bit of color as well. And so this is what it looks like with the color on there. Just a little touch. You don't even need to put it all over the place because I'm not about to part it all over the place. I'm just gonna wear a middle part. And so I'm going to fix this, make it bigger for my big head, and I'm gonna put her on. So this is what she looks like straight out the box. As you can see, I don't have any makeup on this side, so I am gonna stipple some just right on top of the lace so it could blend in better, and it definitely blends in way better. Okay, I'm just looking at my viewfinder. I don't know if I want to straighten it or leave it in its curly state. Oh, we're gonna leave it in a curly state. Let's do some baby hairs. I'm gonna use Ready by Kiss lace adhesive spray. I love this because I like to take my wigs off. I don't necessarily like using a lot of glue anymore, just because I switch my wigs so much. So we're gonna use this and use a blow dryer to tack it down. I'm not going to use it on the entire lace, just right here on the sides, because my hairline do dip down right here on the sides. So I want to use this to make sure that it lays down, and we don't really have to concern about this because that's fine. So let's lay this down. Okay, so now that that lace is down, I am gonna do some baby hairs because I don't know, like I feel like closures need baby hairs, especially when they're not like just straight. So I am gonna pull some baby hairs down. Okay, so this is what she looks like after I like combed her out and put her on. It's giving like beach wave vibes. I am loving it. It's cute and I like it, even though I love to color hair because it's very therapeutic for me. This, having it already pre-colored, is so bomb. So if you are a girly that don't like to color hair but you like color, this is probably a unit for you. Now I don't know if this come in a frontal, but the closure is big enough to, you know, make it do what it do and make it look like a frontal, right? But anyway, the hair is soft. I don't have any shedding or anything like that, and it did not have a smell of me taking out the package. Now, I will tell you guys, make sure you wash your wigs when you're pulling them out. But for the sake of this video, I just tossed it on for you guys so we can see what the curls was giving, because basically they market this as a wig that you could just put on and go. And it is, I agree. I would like this wig to be a little bit more fuller. The cap construction fits so comfortable. If you do have a big head, it is stretchy, you will be fine. If you have a smaller head, you could adjust the wig to make it fit you and you will be fine. So I feel like they covered all areas around this unit and I think this is so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this as well so I can see how well it straightens. But as far as the color goes, it's not dry or anything, but of course I'm gonna recommend that you guys definitely use silicone mix and some clear cellophane to keep your wigs alive. All right, so if you're interested in this wig, I will have a link down below in the description box, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Everything that I use in this video will be linked in the description box for you guys, so just go ahead and check that. And until next time, bye best friends.